Baruch Hashem, I have the schiyah to be a Rebbe I just finished my 7th class, my 7th year, Baruch Hashem. Masifta Vidin Town. Bochurim that are struggling a little bit more. And I always have Bochurim coming over to me and asking me, Baruch, why do you have to be a Bochur that's struggling in order to be able to have Geshmaka trips, real fun? I said it's very simple. You're Baruch Hashem, you're learning Torah, you're keeping the world alive, you're doing netzchias. Other Bochurim need something a little bit more than that. But they asked me then, why in the summer? Why can't we have a camp, by Nazmanim at least, to have real Geshmaka fun? And yeah, we'll talk about it. Lamasa, about a month ago, a bunch of Bochurim came to me and they told me, we still don't have a camp for this summer. Open one up. Start looking now. I reached out to some people, befrat my good friend, Rabbi Heshy, whoever, has been a camp director for years, and he said, Boruch, you have no idea. There are Yeshivas calling me, Menalim calling me, that Bochurim need a camp. There's no real Geshmaka camp for 16, 17, 18-year-old Heimishe Chaburashabochurim. It doesn't exist. They need something. He got us grounds. He said he has place in CKY with him. He has over 20 years experience in the camp arena. And we decided, Zehu, we're opening a camp. First thing is, he's the director of the camp, so I could focus on having a good time with the Bochurim. Next, we have a Geshmaka head counselor, Rabbi Chezky Reich, a frishing man, full of energy, a chasidishing man. He's going to be our head counselor. The main thing is the ruach over there. So we have an amazing maggid, Meir, Leib, Horowitz. He's the maggid in Shimano, Yeshiva, Baruch Hashem. He's going to be the maggid over there, and not just the maggid, running the entire ruach matziv. We are going to have an epic summer by Zed Hashem. Of course, we're only taking good Bochurim, taka from the best yeshivas, and we have a program and plan in place to rock a summer like the Olam has never seen. You could email us an application.
What's the email? Let's put it on the screen.
Email us Chaburashabochurim @gmail.com.
Okay.
It happens to be, we're almost full with registration. We have dozens of Bochurim that registered already.
Is there a Perlowitz promotion?
Perlowitz promotion. Those that come get an extra $20 canteen card for the Perlowitz promotion.
So we're going to put the email on the screen, email, and you're going to get it registered.
Sign up. Registration's almost closed. We have dozens of Bochurim already. Almost closed. But, yalla, Chabsaran.
Chevre, Chabsaran. I'm going to put it on the screen right now and email it and get a registration.
Looking forward. Epic summer.
I'm going to come down and do a vlog over the summer.
It's a shalom. You're going to come down. Once you're there, you'll also do a vlog.
All right.